This is Brittany with WTI, and this is one of my all-time favorite sweaters. It is the perfect weight. This is the ZESICA turtleneck batwing oversized sweater pullover, and it has all my favorite details. Okay, so first of all, it is the best weight. So it's not thin and it's not so heavy that it's overly warm or overly thick or anything like that. And it just fits so good. It like hugs you in the right places and it's loose in all the right places. Super comfortable, but still feels put together, especially because it does have the good a little bit more fitted at the bottom. And I have very long arms, and look how nice and long these sleeves are. Like, love this. I love that they come down and I can pull them down even further, close to the ends of my fingertips. I really appreciate the little details in this, how it has the edging and the knit pattern is different here as it is from here. Love that. It's just the extra little oomph that takes it up a notch and makes it look extra put together, and love it with some jeans, maybe a skirt. You could pretty much throw this on with anything and it can be fancy or more casual, whatever you need for the season. And that's my point of view.